this out real quick. So man, hey, before we get into this video, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notification bell so you don't miss an upload, gang. Cause we finna be dropping nothing but fire content. But today, we ain't doing nothing but changing brakes, bro. Well, yeah, the pads. That's all we doing, gang. So if you tuning in, smash that like button, man. Leave a comment down below. Let's get it, let's go, man. Let's change these brake pads. Be a quick, steady, easy job, man. If you don't know how to do brakes or know how to change them, rotors, anything like that, well, brake pads, if you don't know how to do those, just go ahead and watch this video, man. Smash that like button. I ain't gonna do the same thing. G to the E to the O. You wanna say what's up to the fan band before I get started on these brakes? Don't mind my hair. I ain't had a haircut in months, man. Don't mind my hair, bro. I don't even care how my hair look. It ain't the time for me to get a haircut because I'm grinding. Even if I'm not uploading on YouTube, I'm still grinding in real life, bro.
Doing this with my hands, bro. Take back out the Barbados. Who is these niggas I don't even know? Who is these bitches they acting like phones? Part of me telling me fucking these hoes, but part of me telling me no. Used to get the balls, I was slapping while I was getting shit cracking. You don't even know. One phone call, yeah, I get shit popping. I see why they say people get money go ghost. They need to see me without the scope. I see what they saying. I see what they saying.
You want to loosen the bolts first before you even really lift the car up so you get the tire off. Then you got all those and take that right up.
So hard, yeah, I try hard. Doing this shit with my hands, bro. Take back out the Barbados. Who is these niggas I don't even know? Who is these bitches they acting like clones? Part of me telling me fucking these hoes, but part of me telling me no. Used to get the balls, I was slapping while I was getting shit cracking. You don't even know. One phone call, yeah, I get shit popping. I see why they say people get money go ghost. They need to see me without the scope. I see what they saying. I see what they saying. You don't want to test me, but my natural in my motherfucking life. Bow up in the Sprite, yeah. This shit gon' be posting. How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling? Yeah.
Once you get the tire off, put it up under the car so if it do fall, it ain't gonna fall on all this and damage all that, gang. After you get all that, taking off the tire and everything, the second part you're gonna do, you're just gonna, these two screws right here, right there, and the screw right here. You're gonna loosen both of those, and that's gonna come right off. So we're gonna go ahead and do that.
I see why they say people get money go ghost. They need to see me without the scope. I see what they say. I see what they say.
Guys, if you don't want to go to the mechanic shop, gang, do it yourself. It don't take that long. Honestly, it's pretty easy. Took me a time. I forgot how to take this part off, but just got that part off, guys. So now it's hanging. Fan band. So yeah, guys, we got that off. Now it's time to take these bad boys off right here. We're gonna take those off and we're gonna put them new ones on. When you start hearing that squeaking noise, go ahead and go to auto parts, grab the front, brake pads or the back brake pads, whatever, which ones need changed, go ahead, just do it yourself, jack it up. If you got all the tools, you don't really need too much tools. Depending on what kind of car you got, all you need is this, a couple of these, screwdriver, or a flathead. You definitely need one of these, so you could be able to press the little circle thing that's in there, so you'll be able to put it back on. Man, smash that like button, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notification bell. Y'all know what time it is when I check in, man. Finally done, man. Change both backs. Let's get it, let's go, man. Smash that like button, man. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. Leave a comment down below, y'all.